Amit, I know you've got an outperform rating on this, but correct me if I'm wrong. This seems like the least buzzed about Apple earnings report that I can remember in a while. Is it?
I would agree with you. It definitely feels like people are a lot more tempered, a lot more calm into this print than at least what they were, let's say, 90 days ago when everyone was convinced they would miss and lower numbers. So
right.
Perhaps tempered, less expectations is a good thing given what's happening to some of the other tech names these days.
Are you more interested in the iPhone sales or the services business that everybody's buzzing about?
I guess I would pick C, which is both of them right now. I think they both have a story to tell, right? Services is what Apple's future is going to be. It's how they're going to monetize the install base. I think that matters a lot. iPhones will be relevant because I think it will give you a window into what, especially on the guide, what Apple's product cadence will be in the September quarter, and if they're seeing any impact from the tariff and the trade wars between the U.S. and China.
Lee, same questions to you. What do you think is most important this afternoon?
It's going to be the headsets. I'll tell you one thing.
The headsets.
The handsets. You mean.
The iPhone, because that is what the risk in the stock is. This stock doesn't outperform and blow away expectations just on the services revenue. That's only 20% of revenue. We have to see both of them at the same time, because it's not enough to say, we have a fast-growing, service revenue, because they don't really have an application killer there. Apple Pay has a lot of competition. The iTunes, the Apple Music, they're fighting against Spotify. So while I'm an Apple lover, I'm tied to this thing, and I love all those products, I think as far as the service revenue, if you don't have headsets beat, then what everybody's going to be thinking is, no matter how fast the services is going to go up, it's going to be a long way if you see that headset revenue start to decline. And remember, the reason why this is the bellwether of all stocks, the reason why this is one of the most important stocks, is simply because their headsets always surprise expectations.
I kept hearing headset instead of handset, but I'm sure that's exactly what you meant.